What's up, YouTubers and trout spankers? Welcome to another episode. On today's episode, I'm going to be going micro dink spillway fishing during my lunch break at work. Yep. This is really mostly just a test to see how the 4K on my camera works. If it's worth recording in 4K, if it looks better, worse, if it takes longer to download, whatever, you guys don't care about that crap. But yeah, that's what I'm doing. But I'm going to be throwing tiny little lures at a spillway. I'm going to be at a different spillway than the last video. The fish in here are a little bit bigger. Not much though. There's some pretty big fish in this spillway. I've caught bass that were 2 1/4 pounds, which for up here is pretty good. I'm sure there's bigger ones in there too. We'll see. Doesn't mean I'm going to catch them. Doesn't mean I'm going to catch them. Okay. Oh, dang. You put the hook back in my finger. God damn, you're all covered in dirt, boy. What's wrong with you? God dang it. Another dinker on the little thingamajig. Don't know the name of it. Mr. Crappie? I don't know, something like that. Another beast. Ah, he put the hook in me again. God dang, little shits. Bunch of schnatz. Schnatz. Slaying giants. Oops. Sorry about that. Didn't want you to get dirty. Accidentally gave him the knee. Dropped it and picked it back up. Right in the snoot. Right in the snoot. Oh, hey. Oh, I touched me counts. Row. Hey. Move over, Jimmy Houston. But this little fry doohickey works pretty good when the bass are eating fry. Hard to catch them on anything else in that situation. Nah. Look at that, bass on every cast, baby. Dink Slayer. That's a little bit better one. That's a little better one. Still not big, but they're not really that big in this river anyway, so. Like I said, not big, but biggest one of the 15 minutes I've been here, so not terrible. Oh, it appears I've caught some brushery. Oh, yes, brushery. Oh, fine brushery indeed. Oh, dang it. Ding dong, dang it. That was a river monster. There are some pretty decent wild trout in here. I don't know where the heck they are, though. Oh, and another bass bites the dust. And another beast. Woo. Come out with your fins up. Jiggy zip. So Roland would say. Come on. Hit this damn lure. Hit it like a man, you cowards. Please. I think they're on to me. Oh, you prick. Ooh, that was a big fart. Woo! Heck yeah, son. Slaying them. Alright, you guys, well, I hope you enjoyed the video. If you did, please hit the like button and subscribe. So, nothing special about this video, just catching some dirty little dinky spillway bass on a tiny little lure. This video was really mostly about testing out the 4K on my GoPro than anything, but, yeah. It's a video. Well, hope to see you on the next one. Keep on spanking them.